Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to block Temu emails. First, open Temu on your mobile device. Then you'll see 4 options on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on You. From here, tap on the settings icon next to your profile. Here you'll see many options. Go ahead and tap on notifications. Scroll down until you see chat messages. Then tap on edit. From here you can turn off the notification. Go ahead and tap on it. And that's it. Now you will not get any notifications or emails from Temu. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.